Welcome back to Lumicore Labs. Day 13. So far, you've mastered lists, ordered, changeable collections of items. Today, we add 3 new weapons to your Python arsenal: tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Each one has a specific superpower. Tuples are for data that shouldn't change. Sets are for unique items without duplicates. Dictionaries are for matching keys to values, like a real dictionary matches a word to its definition. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to use and when. Let's dive in. Think of it like a toolbox. Lists are your adjustable wrench, versatile and changeable. Tuples are a fixed-size socket, perfect for one job and never changes. Sets are a filter, removes duplicates automatically. And dictionaries are your label maker. Every piece of data has a name. Tuples use parentheses instead of square brackets. Here's a tuple representing a point with an x-coordinate of 10 and a y-coordinate of 20. Simple coordinates, 2 numbers that together describe a location. Here's another tuple, a person's name, age, and city. 3 pieces of related data in one container. Notice it mixes strings and integers. Tuples can hold any types, just like lists. When we print these, Python shows them in parentheses. Index 0 is the first item, index 1 is the second. Same zero-based indexing as lists and strings. Sets use curly braces. Notice I typed apple twice, but when we print the set, the duplicate disappears. That's the first superpower of sets. They automatically remove duplicates. They also don't maintain any particular order. The items might appear in a different order each time you run the program. To create an empty set, use set, not empty curly braces. Empty curly braces create a dictionary, not a set. This is a common gotcha. You add items to a set with .add. When I add the number 4, it's added. When I try to add the number 2, which is already in the set, nothing happens. No error, just ignored. Sets guarantee uniqueness without any extra work from you. Removing items uses.remove. Specify the value you want to remove, not the index, because sets don't have indices. Sets are perfect for situations where duplicates don't make sense. A list of registered email addresses. Each should appear once. A collection of tags or categories. A group of user IDs. Anywhere that uniqueness matters. Dictionaries are Python's most powerful built-in data structure. They store key-value pairs. Think of them like a real dictionary. You look up a word, the key, to find its definition, the value. Here, the keys are strings like name, age, and city. The values can be anything. Alex, 25, Miami. You access values using square brackets with the key inside. Person name gives Alex. Person age gives 25. This is called dictionary lookup, fast and intuitive. Adding a new key value pair is simple. Just assign a value to a new key. Person job equals developer adds the key job with the value developer. If the key already exists, like when I change age to 26, it updates the existing value. To remove a key value pair, use .pop with the key name. This removes city from the dictionary entirely. The key and its value are both gone. Dictionaries are everywhere in real programming. They represent users, products, settings, API responses, anything where data has labels. Once you're comfortable with dictionaries, you can model almost anything in code. Let's build a real mini project, a phonebook. This uses a dictionary where names are keys and phone numbers are values. Adding a contact is one line. Just assign the number to the name key. Looking up a contact checks if the name exists as a key, and if so, prints the number. The while loop keeps the phonebook running until the user quits. The in keyword works with dictionaries too. It checks whether a key exists. If name in phonebook is how we know whether to display the number or say not found. Let me test it. I'll add Alice with number 123. Then Bob with number 456. Now look up Alice. There's her number. Look up Charlie, not found. This is a working contact manager in about 15 lines of code. Day 13 is complete. You now command tuples for fixed data, sets for unique collections, and dictionaries for lightning-fast lookups. These three, combined with lists, give you a complete data handling toolkit. In the next video, it's practice day. You'll solve challenges using all 4 data structures. Hit the like button and subscribe to Lumicore Labs, and tell me, which data structure do you think you'll use most? See you on day 14.